Let's learn S.X.E, spelled S.X.E. It's choreographed by Rob Fowler. It is a 48 count, 4-wall intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn S.X.E. Section 1, you're going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 2 walks forward, step right, left. We're now going to kick our right foot forward, step back with your right and touch your left toe forward. And when you do this, you want to be slightly sitting back onto your right. We're now going to do hip bumps. So we're going to put our weight onto our left foot. You're going to bump your hip left, right, left, making sure that your weight ends on your left. We're now going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, and we're going to make a half turn over our right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your walks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do 2 quarter point turns. So we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, pointing your left toe to the left side to face 9 o'clock. We're going to repeat that, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, pointing your left toe to the left side to face 12 o'clock. We're now going to do a heel jack, so you're going to cross your left over your right, step your right foot to the right side, and place your left heel into the diagonal. We're now going to step our left next to our right, cross your right over your left. We're going to unwind a full turn over our left shoulder, putting our weight onto our right foot to face 12 o'clock, and then we're going to shuffle to the left, stepping left side, right together, left side. Now for that unwind, you have those 2 counts and your shuffle to make sure that you're squared back up to 12 o'clock. So when we cross over, you're unwinding, and as long as you're in the realm of facing 12 o'clock, you can use that side shuffle to square you all the way back up. So let's try that with some counts. We're facing 6 o'clock with your weight on your right foot. You're going to do your 2 quarter point turns. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we are going to do toe strut hip bumps. So we're going to touch our right toe forward. You're going to bump your hip right, left, right, taking weight onto your right foot. We're now going to make a half turn over our left shoulder, touching your left toe forward. You're going to bump your hip left, right, left, taking weight onto your left foot. You're now facing 6 o'clock. We're going to repeat that, so you're going to touch your right toe forward. You're going to bump your hip right, left, right, taking weight onto your right foot. And then we're going to make a half turn over our left shoulder, touching your left toe forward and bumping your hip left, right, left, taking weight onto your left foot to face 12 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your hip bump. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 4, we're going to do 2 walks forward, step right, left. We're now going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 3 o'clock. Cross your left over your right, step your right foot to the right side, and then we're going to weave. Cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your 2 walks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 5, we're going to do a Monterey full turn with a side rock cross. So we're going to point our right toe to the right side, angling your body to the left. We're going to make a full turn over our right shoulder, turning on your left foot, coming back to 3 o'clock, and step your right next to your left. We're now going to rock our left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and cross your left over your right. We're now going to do a kickball cross, so you're going to kick your right foot forward into the right diagonal, step your right next to your left, and cross your left over your right. We're going to do heel swivels that are going to make a full turn. So we're going to come back to 3 o'clock, When we do this, you're twisting your heels in place. So you want to keep it nice and small and fast. So we're going to rotate both heels to the left. And as you do that, you're going to turn over your right shoulder. So you're twisting both heels left. And you should be at about a half at this point. Twist both heels right. And then twist both heels left to face 3 o'clock. Now, for this part, when you do your Monterey, as long as you make it close to coming back to 3 o'clock, you can use your side rock cross to completely square you back up to 3 o'clock. So you don't feel like you have to crank all the way around and then go into that side rock cross facing the wall. You can use that point turn side rock cross to complete that full turn. Same thing when we are doing those twists. As long as you're coming back close to 3 o'clock, our next section is going to allow you to square back up to 3 o'clock. So you don't have to feel like you have to force coming straight back to a wall. You want to use the steps that come after all of these full turns to help you square back up. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our weave. You're going to do your Monterey full turn with a side rock cross. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 6 in our final section of the dance. We're going to step our left foot to the left side. You're going to cross your right behind your left. We're now going to do a full turn weave. So we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 12 o'clock. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 6 o'clock, and then you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to rock forward with our right, but what I'm going to tell you is you're coming out of that full turn, and it is pretty quick. So you're going to naturally slightly do a cross rock as you do this. Don't stress about it being a cross rock. Don't worry about going directly forward. Just make it in a forward motion. It's your stop to go back to the right. So you're doing your rock with your right, rock, recover, and then we're going to do a big step to the right, drag your left into your right. You're going to step your left next to your right and pop your right knee forward. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try it with some counts. We just did our twist, so you're going to step to the left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and ready to start over again. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left, doing your 2 walks. So it's walk, walk, kick, step back, touch, bump your hip, left, right, left, rock, recover, half, quarter point, heel jack, ball cross, full unwind, side shuffle, hip bump forward, half hip bump forward, half hip bump. Walk, walk, rock, recover, quarter, cross, side weave, behind side cross. Monterey, full with your side rock, cross, kick, ball, cross, now you're full, twist, twist, twist. Side, behind, quarter, half, quarter, rock, recover, big step, pop. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your 2 walks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that is the whole dance. The dance ends naturally facing 12 o'clock, so you don't have to worry about an ending at all. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our walk. So it's walk, walk, kick, step back, touch, bump your hip left, right, left, rock, recover, half, quarter point, heel jack, ball cross, full unwind in your side shuffle. Hip bump forward, half hip bump forward, half hip bump. Walk, walk, rock, recover, quarter, cross, side weave, behind side cross. Monterey full with your side rock cross, kick, ball, cross, now you're full. Twist, twist, twist. Side, behind, quarter, half, quarter, rock, recover, big step, pop, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and walk. Walk, kick, step back, touch, bump your hip left, right, left, rock, recover, half, quarter point, cross, side, heel, ball, cross, full unwind, side shuffle, hip bump forward, half hip bump forward, half hip bump. Walk, walk, rock, recover, quarter, cross, side weave, behind side cross. Monterey full with your side rock cross, kick, ball, cross, twist, twist, twist. Side, behind, quarter, half, quarter, rock, recover, big step, pop. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the pole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helps you learn S.X.E. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
believe.